pudding dessert. An unexpected visitor is already at the door. Pour 250 milliliters of milk into the pot in which we will cook the pudding. Then measure another 250 milliliters but pour only half a cup into the pot. Pour 1 package of custard powder into the remaining part of the milk and mix well. Put 2 tablespoons of sugar in a pot of milk. Heat the milk with sugar, stirring often. The milk could burn. Pour the mixture of custard powder and the milk into the boiling milk. Cook until a firmer mass begins to form. Stir the mixture throughout the whole cooking time. After about 2 minutes of boiling, the pudding is ready. You can put whatever your fridge offers in the cups. I put a biscuit or sponge at the bottom of the cup. Then I pour warm pudding and decorate with sponge, fruit, peach, nectarine and grapes. Quick treat for guests is ready in 10 minutes, and before you greet guests at the door, leave the dessert to cool in the refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.